What's up guys, I have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 here with me and also the brand new OPPO Find N3 Flip. So both are the latest flip phones from both brands. In this video, I'm going to compare and see which one is the king of flip phones. Let's go! Apa khabar, Jason Smashpop here. So when it comes to flip phones, right, the first thing that we will look at is the screen on the outside. Now on the Samsung, we have an almost full screen but square on the outside, and on the OPPO N3 Flip, it's actually a very long vertical screen. Now as we all know, applications that we use on the phone are usually made for the vertical screen, just like the cover screen on the N3 Flip, okay? So I feel this is more convenient for our day-to-day usage, and let's try some applications because applications are easily accessible on the cover screen now. If I open TikTok, we can actually see that, wow, the TikTok app can actually be played fully on the outside without cropping. We can still scroll to view more TikToks, we can like TikToks, we can also leave a comment if we tap on the comment button on the cover screen. So that's very convenient. And when it comes to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, even if we open the same app, which is TikTok, what we get is actually a smaller view of the same app and the same view. Hence, the experience is actually not as enjoyable to view as the full vertical screen on the N3 Flip. And besides, the N3 Flip now comes with the new interactive pet wallpaper, whereby every time when we tap on it, a new animation comes out to brighten our day. Now when it comes to camera, the vertical screen also helps, okay, because now with this view, there's no crop to our photos and videos, so we don't have to guess whether we are in frame or whether our subject is in frame or not. And the no crop photo and video for the N3 Flip does not only limit to the back camera, okay, because we can also take selfies without cropping. So what we see on the screen is actually what we get after we take the photo. Now when it comes to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, the square screen doesn't really help much because our photos are usually vertical, and this is basically showing the middle part of what the sensor is capturing, okay? So we don't know how much further our subject is in the picture. Now let's talk about camera. When it comes to the camera for the OPPO Find N3 Flip, okay, it's the first flip phone with flagship triple camera system. It's also the first flip phone with a telephoto camera. And not forgetting, it's also the first to have large camera sensors. The Find N3 Flip's primary camera features a 50 megapixel IMX890 Sony sensor matched with f1.8 aperture lens. The OPPO Find N3 Flip is the only flip phone with optical zoom and has a lossless hybrid zoom up to 5 times. Now compared to the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, on the outside there are only 2 little cameras, and both of them are actually 12 megapixels each, even for the main camera and also the ultra-wide camera. And for selfie camera, the OPPO Find N3 Flip actually has a 32 megapixel camera, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 is only 10 megapixels. Both the devices have ultra-wide and main camera, but the OPPO Find N3 Flip has additional zoom. I also feel that photos from the Samsung are over-sharpened and oversaturated. Photos on the OPPO Find N3 Flip looks more natural. Overall, I feel the OPPO takes better tele-portrait photos. Since we are talking about flip phones, okay, how can we not talk about the hinge, right? Now, if you compare both the phones, the N3 Flip and also the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, the crease on the screen is actually shallower on the N3 compared to the Z Flip 5. This is because OPPO is using a new Flexion hinge which navigates the screen into a perfect water drop shape when closed. As a result, the crease is actually not so curved and is shallower compared to the Z Flip 5. Now one thing to note, okay, the OPPO Find N3 Flip also has got the TUV Rheinland Reliable Folding certification, and that also means the N3 Flip can actually withstand up to 600,000 folds, like that. People say flip phones cannot last very long one. You use half day, then the phone die. Actually not like that, okay? Because the OPPO Find N3 Flip actually has a very big 4300 mAh battery, while the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5 only has a 3700 mAh battery. Now for charging wise, the OPPO also charges faster with 44 watt Super VOOC fast charging, and on the Samsung it's only 25 watt. So in summary, after comparing all the most important features when it comes to flip phones, it is truly proven, okay, that the OPPO Find N3 Flip is the king of flip phones. So if you like videos like this, if you want more comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, press the button below this video, share this with your friends, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next one. Yo!